Let's start with the Library button. This button toggles the display of effects or instruments depending on the selected channel. Since an audio channel is currently selected, the library shows a variety of audio presets. If you switch to a MIDI channel, the library will display a collection of instruments instead. Next is the Inspector button. The Inspector button in Logic Pro toggles the Inspector panel on and off. The Inspector gives you quick access to channel strip settings, region parameters, and plugins for the currently selected track or region. The Quick Help button in Logic Pro activates on-screen tooltips. When enabled, hovering over any control shows a short description of its function. The Toolbar button in Logic Pro shows or hides the customizable toolbar below the control bar. This toolbar provides quick access to editing functions like quantize, glue, split, or other frequently used tools. The Smart Controls button opens a panel with context-sensitive knobs and sliders for the selected track. Let's quickly load a compressor plugin to see the options in the Smart Controls section. Let's close the Open Compressor window. These controls let you quickly adjust key sound shaping parameters without opening the full plugin windows. The Mixer button toggles the mixer view at the bottom of the workspace. This view displays all channel strips, letting you adjust levels, panning, effects, and routing for your project. The Editors button opens the Editors pane at the bottom of the window. To see better what's happening, let's quickly load up an audio file. In this example, I'll load up a short drum loop and create a new channel. Depending on what's selected, it gives you access to tools like the piano roll, step editor, or audio file editor for detailed track editing. With the Rewind button, you can quickly move the playhead backwards, while the Forward button moves it ahead. The Go to Locator button instantly jumps the playhead back to your set cycle start point, and with the Play button, you start or pause playback of your project. The Record button starts a recording on the selected track. When pressed, it captures either audio or MIDI input depending on the track type. The Free Tempo Recording button in Logic Pro lets you record without being locked to the project's tempo grid. The Cycle button activates loop playback between the left and right locator points. When enabled, the selected section repeats continuously during playback or recording. At the center of the control bar, you'll find the main display for essential project settings. It gives you precise locator information. From here, you can also adjust the tempo of your track, making it faster or slower to match your creative vision. In addition, the display lets you change the musical key of the project, ensuring that all your instruments and recordings stay harmonically aligned. To tailor the screen to your workflow, click the small arrow and select Customize Control Bar and Display from the drop-down menu. There, you can toggle individual elements on or off, adjusting the information shown to match your personal preferences. The Replace button in Logic Pro enables overwrite recording. The Tuner button in Logic Pro opens a built-in tuner for the selected track. It helps you quickly check and adjust the pitch of your instrument before or during recording. The Solo button mutes all tracks except the one you've selected. This lets you focus on a single track or region without hearing the rest of the project. The Solo button is also available on all channel. The function is the same. The Count-In button in Logic Pro adds a metronome lead-in before recording starts. This gives you a set number of clicks to prepare and play in time with the project's tempo. The Metronome button toggles the click track on and off. It provides a steady beat during playback or recording to help you stay in time with the project's tempo. In the control bar, you'll find the level meter of the master output channel strip. It provides a real-time visualization of your project's overall audio level. The List Editors button opens a panel with event-based views of your project. Here, you can precisely edit MIDI events, region data, tempo changes, or marker positions in a detailed list format. The Notepad button in Logic Pro opens a text window for the selected track or project. It's a convenient place to jot down lyrics, session notes, or reminders directly inside your project. The Loop Browser button opens a library of Apple loops and samples. From here, you can search, preview, and drag loops directly into your project to quickly build arrangements. The Browser button opens the project browser on the right side of the workspace. It lets you navigate your computer's files and import audio, Michigan DI, or video directly into your project.